Alright, so special thanks to this company who were nice enough to send us the calendar day clock. So we're gonna of course open up this little 8-inch LCD display with power adapter and show you what's inside here and kind of how it works real quick. So right on top is your instruction manual. Tells you how to set everything up, set the date, time modes, etc. Little antenna, okay. The remote, the power brick. Here is the actual calendar. That's it for the box. So you got a few buttons here on the back, power, directional button, OK, and a menu button. And then on the side here, you've got a USB port, 2 USB ports, a DC, headphone jack, and even a SD card reader. So if we take this and plug it into here, and then plug this into here, and should be able to, so there you can see the time, the date. That's what that would look like. This is a clear film over this, so it's not, you know, taking away any of the brightness or anything. Actually, peel that on off. But it does have the right time. It's Tuesday, 1:32 p.m., September 27th, 2022. And that's really essentially it. You can use this remote to go into setups and change things and set alarms. And you can find out more information about that right here. That's essentially what this would look like. So again, thanks to this company for sending out this calendar day clock, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.